Today we're featuring the new 2021 Toyota RAV4 XSE Hybrid that seats 5 and gets up to 41 miles per gallon. First off, notice the stylish black roof, which is unique to the XSE, and the dark gray, metallic colored hexagon-patterned bar front grille is home to Toyota's pre-collision system and radar dynamic cruise control, both part of Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. To ensure you can see clearly in any condition, this RAV4 XSE comes with LED projector headlights with chrome bezels, auto on-off automatic high beams, and LED daytime running lights with accent lighting. The color-keyed door handles integrate smart key technology on the front doors and power liftgate with push-button start, remote keyless entry with lock, unlock, and panic functions, and remote illuminated entry. You'll enjoy the convenience of the RAV4's height-adjustable power liftgate with jam protection, and the LED taillights will keep you safe when braking. The folding heated power outside mirrors include turn signal and blind spot warning indicators, along with lane-keeping technology in Toyota's Safety Sense, giving you layers of safety features. Once inside, you'll notice the power tilt slide moonroof with one-touch open-close. The 60/40 split reclining fold-flat rear seat will help you get the most flexibility out of the cargo area while also taking into account maximum passenger comfort. Additional rear seating options are also available, and don't forget about the soft-text seating surfaces, which adds a touch of luxury and makes any cleanup much easier. The overhead console is home to Toyota's Safety Connect and the power tilt slide moonroof controls. Also check out the digital rear view mirror with HomeLink. The leather-trimmed tilt telescopic 3-spoke steering wheel provides hands-free control for audio and phone, including Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, along with dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert, and lane trace assist. This RAV4 XSE comes with a heated 8-way power adjustable front driver's seat with lumbar support and a heated 4-way adjustable front passenger seat. The latest Toyota technology is also available with the RAV4's 7-inch digital multi-information display and 8-inch Toyota infotainment screen. The RAV4 XSE Hybrid is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electronic all-wheel drive, including Sport, Eco, Normal, EV, and Trail Drive modes. Traditional gas or hybrid models are both available on the RAV4. Remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and roadside assistance for 2 years, regardless of mileage. So get more out of every drive in the new 2021 Toyota RAV4 XSE Hybrid. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.